Hi everybody, Belinda here. This one from my previous video is almost dry. It's dry enough to hang. So I thought I would just show you what it looks like almost dry, and you know, it hasn't had any varnish yet, obviously. Trying to get out of the light. And look at this, this all looks like 3D. Absolutely gorgeous. So this is a 40 by 60 centimeter. I love this one peeping out in the background here too. It has so much depth. And all the little cells and the lacing. There's a lot of shadow at the moment, but hopefully, let me take it at this angle, maybe, but look at that 3D effect. And this one over here looks like it's actually the top part of it here is kind of folded over this way with all those beautiful cells and lacing in there. So I'm really happy with this. I think it just turned out gorgeous. Some more bit of the 3D effect. Okay guys, on to the next video. Good morning everybody, Belinda here. Welcome and welcome back if you have already subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, please take a couple of seconds to do so. Right, so I think I saw a lump. This is my white. I'm going to go ahead and lay down my white. You can see how thin my paint is, the consistency. Hopefully I can show you, it just runs off the stick. Hopefully you can see that. I know it's really hard to see white. This size canvas is a 12 by 16 inch. And I'm going to be trying something else today. Just get in there with your hands. Why not? You know, whenever I do this with my hands, then I can feel the consistency better. And I don't know about you guys, I'm a touchy-feely person. I have to I have to feel everything in order for my brain to kind of comprehend. Might seem a little strange to some of you, but I think there are quite a few of us people in the world who can tell by feeling, also seeing, depending on what it is really. Just get this side done. And then we're ready to move on. So I have actually mentioned in previous videos just recently about the notifications bell. So you know, I did mention that YouTube were looking at it and they were getting back to me. So apparently they say there's no issue with the bell. It's you know, when the icon changed, which was quite some time ago, you do have choices when you ring the bell, and you need to set those choices in order to get notifications that my video is up. So if you guys don't mind, please do so, because a lot of people have not been receiving the notifications, so you guys don't miss another video of mine. So that would be great. Hopefully there's enough paint on there. Let's just get rid of those. And I'm just going to put a tad more paint around here where I see it's a little bit bare. Over there. Right, guys. So here goes. I'm just going to put a little bit across the center. With this light glaring on here, I'm using a different light today. It's yeah, it's creating a glare, so I can't really see what's what very well. Okay, Bubbles, be gone. Right, so in we go. This is my black bloom recipe. So this is from my own bloom recipe. So yes, what I wanted to actually say on that note was, I have heard some people mentioning that with the original bloom recipe, look, I can't be 100% sure, I just go by what I've heard. When it dries, they are actually finding yellowing, that the painting is going yellow. So obviously with my recipe you won't have the yellowing, because I don't use house paint. The only house paint I am using, which you can see in my recipe, well, yeah, go ahead and have a look at my recipe and you'll see what I mean. But mine don't turn yellow, and they shouldn't at all. Right, I think that's good enough. Okay guys, I'm so excited about this, I can hardly contain myself. Let me get myself all untangled. So I got one of these, which I bought some time ago. I know a couple of people have used them, but to me it's my new toy. So right, it's the first time I've turned it on. It's on a USB memory. I'll just show you. Memory bank. So I don't know how hard it's going to blow, but let's see. It blows pretty hard. See the beautiful cells are popping up. I think you just have to go a little bit slower. See what it's like with this off. Okay guys, that's pretty cool and pretty fun. And of course I've christened it already with some paint. Okay, I want to give this a little bit of a blow this way. No, it's not going to work. I didn't think so, because if that thing can't blow it. Okay. Right, so I'm just going to give this a bit of a tilt. I'm already loving all of these cells and things that are popping up. Pretty cool. Okay, let me show you why I'm going to tilt it. Let's go this way first. So I see the majority of the paint is this side. I'm actually watching all of this that's going on at the same time because I don't want to lose my center. Okay, I'm busy losing my center, so I'm just going to bring it back. Yep, I like that very much. So I think that is simple yet effective and gorgeous. Again, I love all of these, you know, the delicate petal ends, just beautiful. Love what's going on in the center, and these petals, or whatever you want to call them, they're kind of looking 3D. Right, let me I'll just give this another torch, and then I'm going to bring you in for a close-up, see if I need to touch up anything without causing trouble with black. This is beautiful. It's simplistic and elegant. So soft and yet not. All those petals, little cells, and the lacing. Looks really, really beautiful. These, actually most of them, they all look kind of three-dimensional. Now here the camera's not picking it, or maybe it is. So there's some very fine detailed lines of the other petals, which I'm presuming when it dries it will get a little darker. I think this is just gorgeous. So I'm loving my little new tool. Might have to play with that a little bit more. Really gorgeous. I'll show you from this angle. And then from this angle here, alright guys, thank you very much for watching. Just a quick short video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks guys, bye.